Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jan and Tech Academy. In today's video, we are going to build a simple and useful Python project, that is a BMI calculator. This project is perfect for beginners because it converts Python basics like input, calculation and conditional statement. First, let's see what we are going to build. Here, we will take input from users, their weight and height, and we will calculate body mass index. Now come back to our main program. First, we will take weight of the user as input. That is, weight is equal to float input and a string, that is, enter your weight in kg. Now again, we will take another input, that is height of the user, and we will store this in height variable. After this, we will calculate BMI. BMI is equal to weight divided by square of height, and we will store it in BMI variable. Afterward, we will print BMI score. Print your BMI is round BMI to. The function round will convert BMI up to 2 decimal places. Now we will check some conditions. If BMI is less than 18.5, we will print underweight. Else if BMI less than 25, we will print normal weight. Else if BMI less than 30, we will print overweight. After all elif executed, we will print else obeys. Note that in all if elif else conditions, the first one that will comes true will be executed, and afterward we will run our code. Now we will input the weight in kg. Suppose the weight is 40 kg. Now we will run our code. We will enter the weight, that is suppose 30 kg, and again we will enter height in meters, that is 4 meters. Our program will calculate the BMI is 1.88, and it is showing that the user is underweight. And that's it. We successfully built a BMI calculator in Python. This project is simple, useful, and great for practicing Python fundamentals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.